reached cruising altitude. I don't know. But swing by when you're ready to land.
Make sure to stock up on whatever you need. Do it now before those clouds unleash their evil. Probably think I'm crazy, huh? Being afraid of clouds as I am? Well, you'll see then. You'll all see. Sure, those clouds look all nice and pretty, like little puffs of sweetness. But they're up to something, I'll tell you. Something bad. I know those clouds were listening to every word we just said, and now they're planning to get us. You just watch. You make sure to...
Welcome back. Ready for another magical upgrade?
Hey, how'd you find me? Wait, don't tell me. You already know about the Skylanders Arena Rumble Club, huh? Hey, I can set up a battle for you right now. Want to give it a shot? Hey, I thought you were tough. Oh well, come back anytime when you're ready to mix it up in an arena.
I'm guessing by the weather we're not too far from our destination. You ready to start heading down? Great! And, as long as our engine doesn't take a direct hit from that lightning, we should be fine. Whoa! What are the odds of that?
I told you! I told you! Those clouds are evil! Evil, I say!
Anywho, I'm gonna need to land this thing in the nearest possible port. It won't be a crash landing per se, but it probably won't be pleasant. You might want to hang on to something. Oh, not this place again.
You've been here before?
I know it's hard to believe, Callie, but there are some people in this town who, how shall I put this, don't like me very much.
I'll suspend my disbelief. But we better play nice because we need their help. How about I do the talking? Permission to come ashore.
Granted. Please excuse the quiet. When we pirates took over this carnival, we noticed a sudden drop in customers. Hey, haven't I seen you before?
No. No, you must be thinking of someone else, though I can't imagine who could possibly be this handy.
Handy! We heard that you're handy at repairing ships, and that's what we need.
Help you I can, but I'm not gonna work for free, and your money's no good here. You'll need to pay me in pirate chips.
Okay. How do we get these pirate chips?
You must win a few rounds of Sky Stones, something we locals like to play. You must win a few rounds of Sky Stones, something we locals like to play.
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
Cyclops. It's Crush Hour. Ha ha!
Bolts and lightning. Don't mind if I do. A challenge? Out of my
Arm Chompy.
Snub's Triangle, a Skylander. I made the terrible mistake of accepting a job here. If I help you, maybe you can take me with you? The bridge is out, which I could only assume is due to that large hole right there. Maybe you could use one of those shipping crates to fill it. The bridge is out, which I could only assume is...
Hey! It's a Skylander! Yay!
Oh, yeah. I forgot to mention that the gate is locked. And I, unfortunately lost the key in a Skystones game over on this island. But maybe you can win it back.
Then you must win it from me in a Skystones game. Fair and true. Well, alrighty then. Here we go. This is a stone. Players take turns playing stones on the board. When the board is full, the player with the most stones wins. The other player places a stone first.
Spiderlings.
Now it's your turn. Play a stone. More blades along the edge of your stone means you take the other player's stone.
Drow Lancemaster.
Yarr! You took me stone.
Spiderlings.
Ha ha! I took your stone.
Inhuman Shield.
A fine move.
Spiderlings. Blaster Troll.
Well done.
Spiderlings. Drow Archer.
That doesn't give you any advantage.
Spiderlings. You win. Stone collected.
Shiver me timbers! And I do mean that literally. You won! Well, here be the key and me best Skystone.
Besides cheap forgeries, there are real treasures to be found in a place known as the Forger's Basement. You just may need to do a little creative remodeling to find them.
I fear nothing.
Hey, it's a Skylander!
You got my key back. Here's a Skystone as a token of my thanks. Though, I guess it would have been more helpful before you played.
Stone collected.
I'm afraid I have nothing else of value.
thought you might be able to use an extra hand here. It's gonna take some heavy artillery to blow through that gate. Looks like that galleon might have all the firepower we need. If you're strong enough, you can use that chain over there. I've also heard that the boatmaster can pull it in too, if you can beat him at Skystones.
Tis a galleon you wish me to pull? Then ye best beat me at Skystones. Ye best get ready for a battle, matey.
Droll Lancemaster. Droll Lancemaster. Spiderlings. In Fuego Chompy. Droll Lancemaster. Drow Archer. Spiderlings. Inhuman Shield. Droll Lancemaster. You win. Stone collected.
Tis a lucky break for you, says I. But I'm good for me word and will pull the ship in.
Too easy.
Jackpot. Good work. Okay, fire away.
Hold it right there! If you wish to play with the very best here on Pirate Island, you're gonna need more Sky Stones. 'Cause you're not exactly playing with a full deck, if you know what I mean. But you may be able to pillage for some more Sky Stones. We've got a scallywag locked up in our brig who had a pretty fancy deck, as I recall.
Skylanders of the Fire Element are stronger invisible.
Thank ye. And say, how about a game now that I'm free? Promise I'll only cheat a little. Bully for you. Takes a lot of courage to play the likes of me.
Some boards have block squares. No stone may be played on a block square.
Jumpy. Inhuman shield. Blaster troll. Mace major. Jumpy. In fuego Jumpy. Blaster troll. Droll Lancemaster. You win. Stone collected.
You won! Well, I suppose I should be giving you my real best sky stone.
You call that a challenge?
Arr, you may now enter Pirate Island, but watch your back. 'Tis a dangerous place.
Executioner.
Okay, almost there. Their biggest and best Skystones player is just beyond that gate. Gonna need to get that key first. I'll leave that part to you.
Excellent. You are just in time. I have deals you absolutely must see. Feast your eyes on these wonderful items, all of them quality.
Hey, pal. You know this area used to be a real dump, but I fixed it up. Problem is, I put in this security system to keep the real ghouls out. But now I can't get through myself. But if you want to try, you're welcome to anything you can find. Think there might be a few ghostly goodies in there for you.
This is my kind of place.
It's crush hour.
Bolts and lightning. Jackpot. Yes!
Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
Don't mind if I do.
Now you just need the key to open that gate. Got it! Now you can open the gate.
Leading the charge.
Well, 'tis the Skylander ye are. Say, you wouldn't know where I could find the likes of a pilot named Flynn, would ye? That hornswaggler owes me 5 gold pieces. Unless I just take it from ye. Get on me, hearties!
Yeah.
pirate captain would I be if I didn't have more guards? Trying, can you? Say, why don't we smooth things over with a fine game of Sky Stones? Okay, mayhaps you need to cool off a little. I understand. Yar! Good to see that earlier misunderstanding is now water under the bridge.
This is an elemental square. If you put a stone of a different element on this square, your stone will break and form a block.
Mohawk Cyclops. Mace Major. Spiderlings. Blaster Troll. Mohawk Cyclops. Drow Lancemaster. Mohawk Cyclops. Gargantula. Archean Jouster. You win. Stone collected.
Ye be a fine player, says I. But if you seize that Flynn fella, you tell him that he still owes me.
All done, says I. Your ship's engine is repaired and ready for sail. Though I must warn ye, I've heard tales of this very vessel before, and it's...
Pretty impressive, yeah, we know. And it's about to get a lot more impressive with Skyland's most amazing pilot. Back at the helm. Boom!
Wait a minute! That's where I know you from! You're Captain Flynn, and you once borrowed 5 gold pieces from me and never gave it back!
No, I'm pretty sure that was someone else. What am I saying? No one else could possibly be this handsome!
Come back here, you swine!
See ya!
Hey, you forgot me! I was supposed to come with you guys, remember?
never knew what hit them.
Thank you, Lord Chaos. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, Master?
Not now, Glumshanks. I'm busy.
It's just that, Lord Chaos, now that you're back and we've got this robot, what are we gonna do?
It's simple, Glumshanks. Robot! Tell him!
Lord Chaos is going to the secret vault of Archean secrets, which, as everyone knows, you need to be an Archean Conkertron to enter.
Or better yet, have an Archean Conkertron.
Wait, secret vault of secrets?
Yes, because inside the vault, there is a map to the lost city of Arcus, where Lord Chaos will find the Iron Fist of Arcus, which he will use to raise the robot army and then make himself king of all Skylanders. Isn't that marvelous?
Did you hear that, Glumshanks? King. Although, I prefer Emperor. Got that, robot?
Why, of course. Emperor Chaos. And may I say, that suits you well.
Oh, you may. Think of it. Once I have the Iron Fist, all of Skylands will bow down before me. Chaos!
Yes. All hail Emperor Chaos. K-A-O-S.
Wowzers, this new engine's really humming. We should arrive at the frozen wastelands in no time.
Yeah. Who'd have thought pirates would make such good mechanics?
Yar! We take great pride in our craftsmanship. Seeing as how you beat me at Skystones, I figured you was a worthy opponent and might be interested in a rematch. In fact, you're all invited to come down to me quarters and play me anytime you wish.
Quarters.
Looks like our crew just got a little bigger.